In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Star Wars Outlaws game from your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to do this, you need to go ahead and look for Control Panel Program and then open it. However, if you can't see it, then head to Start menu and then search for Control Panel. And here we go, our Control Panel is here. This will list all the programs that are available on your Windows computer. Look for programs and features, and this will list all the programs that are currently installed on your computer. To uninstall this game, go ahead and find the game from your list, and you can see it is here. Once you have located it, go ahead and click on it, then you should see an install. So currently I have another program that is in the progress of an installation. However, once you click on OK, now you'll be able to completely uninstall Star Wars Outlaws from your Windows computer. So that's how you can uninstall Star Wars Outlaws game from your Windows computer. However, you have to note that if you had installed this game through other programs such as Ubisoft, you may be redirected to Ubisoft for you to complete the uninstallation process. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.